Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Shubham's Origami World. In this video we are going to make this beautiful origami lily. It is also a traditional model and it is quite easy to make. For this calyx, leaf and stem I have already uploaded a video tutorial after rose, so you can watch that video again to learn how to make this. In this video we will going to focus on how to make this origami lily. So let's get started. You will need to fold the paper diagonally. Repeat on this diagonal. Right. Now fold the paper in half horizontally and vertically. Okay, now fold paper like this. Using these creases, make a squash fold. Like this. Repeat behind. Crease firmly. Okay, now what you need to do is from this portion fold the edge in half, fold the edge to the center line. Using this crease we need to squash fold like this. Alright, turn the model over, repeat here. You can just do it like this without giving a crease. Alright, now we need to repeat here and here too. So pull one layer here and do the same here. Turn the model over, pull one layer here, and this one is final. Like this. Okay. Bring these two edges to center line. Like this, repeat here. Okay, open them again. Can you see these 2 points? If you connect them it will make a straight line. We need to do a petal fold here, so using these 2 points you can do this up and pinch these edges. It will be something like this. Can you see this? A line is made automatically. Alright, fold this corner down, this triangle down, turn the model over, repeat the steps here. both edges to center line. Petal fold. And then fold this triangle down. Okay, we need to repeat here also. Pull one layer there, and again repeat those steps. Petal fold. Pull this triangle down. Last one left. Turn the model over. One flap here, another flap here. Do it. Okay, fold this triangle down. Okay, now fold one flap here so that you can get a clean diamond like this. Turn the model over. Fold one opposite flap here. Can you see it is symmetrical? Okay, now from where this model is closed, not here, here, bring the edges to center line. See, repeat on all flaps. Crease firmly. Alright, get this, turn it over, do it here. Okay, these are left, so one flap there, another flap here, do it. Last one left, so turn the model over, one flap there, another flap there. Alright, repeat. This one is the final fold. Okay, we are almost done. This section is the body of lily and these are the petals. We need to pull out the petals like this. Fold it down. Repeat behind. Alright. Curve them. Curve these petals. Make them a bit round. Open the model and the remaining lilies do the same thing here. Remaining petals. Getting the shape. Press it firmly. shape these petals as you please. Okay, the lily is almost done. Now to give a finishing touch to your lily, you can make these leaf, stem and sepal. I have already uploaded a tutorial to how to make these for the rose. You can watch that video again, and you can just stick your lily here to give a final touch like this, and it's done. Thank you.